Candice here, Ballard C10 and chopdratzgarage. You already know. Right here behind me I have Betsey White, our extended cab OBS truck that we recently did a little razzle dazzle to. We added our little, we call Slamo Camo paint scheme on it, showing you how yes, you can build on a budget. That's right. We did our Rattle can special, coolly laid it down, did some square Barbie notes into it, as well as maybe a hint of a future build, but it has the paint, hot pink and teal splotches on it, and has some more other kind of bedazzle in on it. I call it the razzle dazzle sauce. And then we sealed in the deal with Poppy's patina, added a nice clear coat on the top, so you know, sealing on them elements. Threw on a bed liner, called it a day. We have some IHC. We're gonna bring in the front wheel some. If you haven't heard of them, we found them at Rattle in Bama. So we gotta change her stance up some. She's just static drop for now, US mags running on it, but I'm gonna turn it around and give you a walk around. Look at it popping. She's dirty, so don't mind it. She's coming out of winter hibernation. Of course, you got the built, not bought. Yes, she needs to be detailed. I'll give you some good shots of her. Nothing like an OBS truck. You know they hot right now. So you can see, minus the flies, it's a lime green pop. You got the hot pink and teal. My shadow. Whoop-ow. You're like, why would you paint it like that? And we're like, why not? Coming to truck show near you. This truck is featured in the Trusty Trucks children's book. If you haven't read it yet, you should. There she is. Y'all stay tuned for more.